Assalamu alaikum, good evening. I am at a new buzz restaurant of Multan. They are marketing a lot on social media. I have traveled specially from the United States to come here and try this restaurant. So let's go in and see if the buzz is worth it or not. Let's go. So on the entrance, you see this big coffee cup. The ambience look fairly well. So let's go inside the restaurant. Wow, well, it looks good. Looks modern. Restaurant architecture centerpiece are these two hands which are supporting the rooftop, which looks beautiful and elegant. As we came in, we were served some fancy water bottle. I'm not finding these water bottle anywhere else in any restaurant in Multan, so this is first time. The ambience looks good. It's fancy. It looks like a fine dining restaurant. So let's try the food if it's worth it or no. Cheers. Our food was served fairly quickly and it looks good. Let's try it. Here, this is albino chicken with sauce, and the serving size is fairly good. This is Parmesan chicken, and it really smells like Parmesan. It smells so good. After the food, I had to try coffee, and well, it really surprised me. Indeed, it was of international standard. The quality of the coffee was really good. I had to visit the loo because I always had issues with washrooms in Pakistan, and well, I was not really happy. I would rate it 7 out of 10. We just had our dinner at Tavolo restaurant, the new buzz of town in Multan, and it's time to review. So let's start the review. First thing, the wallet service, I would say 10 out of 10. They have wallet service. Then reception at the restaurant, I would say 9 of 10. They welcomed us, they took us on a tour, showed us the restaurant, they were welcoming, talking well, soft people, so it was good. Now ambience, I would say ambience is what, 7 out of 10. It could be improved. I see the place with too many tables, too much rush. They're trying to portray it as a fine dining restaurant, but there are too many tables. The bar is right in the middle, too much rush everywhere, and the music is really loud. You can listen to the music now as well. Anji. Surprisingly, I was interrupted by the security guard here, and he told me that I'm not allowed to shot the video. So I'll stop my review here and not review the restaurant anymore because the security guard just came over and said I'm not supposed to shoot this video. I don't care about the security guard. I want you to give an honest review of this restaurant, but unfortunately I'll stop to give this review because the security guard just jumped in and said that I'm not supposed to make a video here. I don't care about the security guard. I can continue to make this video, but why should I? Right? Why should I care to give an honest review of the restaurant when they don't want me to do it? So fuck it. Bye bye.